course, any board you serve on should have some level of corporate indemnification. That's where the organization of the company itself is indemnifying you, saying that they're going to pay for, cover, represent you for things that are of a nature of support of that organization. The good, the bad, the ugly should be all included in there. Now, the D&O insurance, many directors are aware of this, but they're not aware of the following thing I'm going to mention. You could have the best corporate indemnification and the best D&O policy that's out there. But if there are gaps between those two, guess what? You're paying out of pocket for either the coverage or for the settlement. So as I say to most people and most candidates, know enough to be dangerous if you're not an attorney or a corporate attorney in this area, but do not be fearful. And I highly recommend reaching out to a corporate attorney. If you're making a decision to serve on a board, show that attorney the corporate indemnification through the bylaws, show that attorney the D&O liability insurance policy, and tell them you want to know everything about that, including the gaps in between them. It's the gaps that get most directors here that cause them the most strife. Now, the last area to mention about this at a very high level is IDL insurance. Most directors are not aware of this. IDL is insurance that you can go out and get yourself. Think about it as E&O, error and omission insurance for independent directors. You can pay for this yourself. It'll be the best money you ever spent. Know there's different options for this. You can buy IDL for one single board you serve on. You can buy IDL for a group of boards you sit on. And know that also some of today's best boards, as part of perks for their directors, are saying, we got your corporate indemnification, we have your D&O, and also as one of the perks of serving, we're also going to pay for you, pay for your independent director liability insurance individually. Make no mistake, this role of being a board director is of high risk if you don't understand what the risks are. You need to know this inside and out before you say yes to a role. There are a significant number of directors that say yes even before they get this because they're told there's indemnification and there's D&O. You need a lot more detail than that to make sure you're covered.